How to increase the size of accessibility menu shortcut on your Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings. In Settings, go to Special Function. In the Special Function, go to Accessibility. In Accessibility, in Interaction Control section, you can see here the Accessibility menu. Tap this and go to Settings. And you can see here the large button, increase size of accessibility menu buttons. To increase the size of accessibility menu button, switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on the accessibility menu button, you can see the large of this accessibility menu shortcut. And to disable again or decrease, switch off the switch button on the right side to decrease the accessibility menu shortcut.